In this video, you'll learn how to find your WordPress login URL. This process is essential for accessing your WordPress site and managing its content effectively. By following these steps, you will be able to quickly locate the login page for your WordPress site. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for WordPress.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see various options related to WordPress services. This is the first step in accessing your site. Next, look for the option labeled Sites on the WordPress.com homepage. You should find it in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on this option to view a list of your WordPress sites. This action will take you to a page displaying all the sites associated with your account. After that, find the site for which you want to locate the login URL. Each site will be displayed with its corresponding details. Once you identify the correct site, click on the link that represents it. This will redirect you to the site's management page. Now, on the management page, locate the section titled Public Web Address. This can usually be found in the site's settings or general information area. Clicking on this link will display the public URL of your site. This step is crucial as it will lead you to the login URL. Finally, after clicking on the public web address, the URL displayed will typically end with /wp-admin or /wp-login.php. This is your login URL. Make sure to save this link for easy access in the future. If your site is large or has a complex structure, be mindful of any potential delays in loading the page, as this may affect how quickly you can access your login. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.